the final major scale, the F major scale. We've removed all of our black keys except one, and we're only going to keep B flat. This time, the left hand gets to return to the same fingers as the key of C. So let's start with that one since it's probably familiar already. Except, of course, you've only played C in contrary motion if you've been following these videos. It'll be as if we're starting on the low C but then going up. So let's just get that out of the way. Here is the 5th finger, and then every finger will follow. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 3, 2, 1. And then 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 3, 2, 1. And then backwards. 2, 3, 1 on C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll finish with the pinky. That one's pretty straightforward. Let's do it slowly and smoothly. 1, 2, ready, go. Now, the right hand is a little bit similar to C. Just like the G scale, we only have one black key, but if we look at it carefully, we can't then cross over with our thumb here, because we end up with a thumb on a black key, which is not good. That's a thumbs down. Now it's sideways. I don't know where down is right now. Okay. Instead, we have to follow the same rule that we always follow with the right hand, which is if there is a B flat, the 4th finger goes there. And, lo and behold, it's the 4th finger, the 4th note of the scale. It sort of lines up that way. Let's go through this one. Right hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're crossing over. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 1. Now cross over with the thumb. And then we're going to stop with the 4th finger. This is a placeholder finger that allows us to turn around more conveniently. Some students find this to be a little awkward and they want to really put their pinky down instead, or maybe put the thumb down again. We're just going to put the 4th finger down and move on. 4, and we're going backwards. 3, 2, 1, and then 4 on B flat, all the way to the 1st finger, then 3, 2, 1, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. Simple enough. Let us do that slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. Let us do that with 2 hands. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. not out of the woods yet. Let's do the chords that we will need for this key of F major. First one, pretty straightforward, all white keys starting on F. We have the first, third, and fifth note of the scale. That's the F major chord. And then we will need the B flat major chord. We will stay anchored on our bottom note, of course. And the top two will move up, just like every other time. We have F, B flat, and D. And then we can go back to the F chord. Now, just like before, bottom note moves down, middle note moves up, and we have what we're going to call C7. And then we can go back to the F chord. Let's do those slowly and smoothly. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, feel free to go back to any part of this video to review any part that you might need to do, or for that matter, any other scale video. There is no harm in doing more review because some of these are more tricky than others for some people, and that's okay. That being said, the next video we will talk about changing our contrary motion scales into parallel motion scales, just like the other 7 scales that we have done. Any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section. Otherwise, have a great day.